Sub-assembly, assembling, countershaft. Ensure the parts are clean before assembling. Before assembling the countershaft, check the gear teeth using a magnifying lens. Check the dog teeth and slots for damage or excessive wear. Measure the inner diameter of C1, C2 and C3 gear. Check the bushes for wear or damage. Measure the outer diameter of C1, C2 and C3 bush. Calculate the gear to bush clearance of C1, C2 and C3. Measure the inner diameter of C1, C2 and C3 bush. Check the countershaft splines and sliding surface for abnormal wear or damage. Measure the outer diameter of countershaft C1, C2 and C3 bush sliding area. Calculate the bush to shaft clearance. Replace the components if they do not meet the service limit. Before installation, apply moly oil on C1, C2 and C3 gear inner surface. C1, C2 and C3 bush hole surface. Moly oil is a mixture of molybdenum bisulfide grease and engine oil in a ratio of 1:1. Lubricate the countershaft, gears and washers with engine oil. Now install thrust washer. Install C3 bush. Install C3 gear. Install splined washer. Always install washers with the chamfered end facing towards the thrust side. Install circlip. Always replace with new ones. Always install the circlip with the chamfered end facing towards the thrust side. Always seat the end of the circlip on the high portion of the spline. Install C4 gear. Install thrust washer. Install C1 bush. Install C1 gear. Install thrust washer. Now from the left side, install C5 gear. Install thrust washer. Install C2 bush. Install C2 gear. Finally, install the thrust washer.